kindergarten friends, it's me, Dr. Mish. We are here today in my office where we are going to perform a very, very important surgery. Now, you don't know what a surgery is. That is where a very, very educated and smart doctor like myself is going to cut somebody open and put them back together again. Now, don't be worried. I'm not going to cut you apart and put you back together again. But I have somebody here who is in need of me and my medical assistance. Now, before I get to what's in my bag, let me tell you what kind of surgeon I am. I am a contraction surgeon. I'll put this back on for the surgery. Now, you're going to need to know what a contraction is. A contraction is a word that is put together but made out of two words. You use contractions all of the time. So, contraction would be like the word don't. For example, you might say, I don't want to take a bath. Have you ever said that before? Because my 3 boys have said that to me before. Don't is used in place of the words do not. They might say, I do not want to take a bath, but instead, to speed it up a little bit because sometimes we're a little bit lazy, they'll say, I don't want to take a bath, because saying don't is a little bit faster than saying, I do not want to take a bath. So we need to know how to write that contraction, don't. So that's where we're going to be doing surgery. Let me show you my patient. This is Mr. I Am. Mr. I Am. Mr. I Am needs to be cut up by Dr. Mish. Let's put this back on here if we're going for surgery, right? Safety first, Mr. I Am. So here's what we're going to do. First, we're going to find out if Mr. I Am has a heartbeat. He does. Next, we're going to check into my doctor's bag, and we're going to see what we need for Mr. I Am. First, I think we need to give him a shot, don't you? That's right. So let's give him a shot right here in the arm. Oh, doesn't hurt a bit, Mr. I Am. Okay. And now we're going to need to cut him open a little bit. Let's cut him open right here. There we go, right between I am. All right, now we know those words. Mr. I Am, this is only going to hurt for a second. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut out the letters that we no longer need. I'm. I definitely need I, I'm. And I need that sound. So I'm going to cut out the letter that I don't need anymore. Do you think you know what letter that is? I do too. Let's cut out that letter A. Okay, Mr. I Am, you should be feeling sleepy from that shot. Get underneath here. Just a little snip, snip, Mr. I Am. Just a little snip, snip. We don't want to cut too much. Here we go. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to sew him up. I've got some paper clips. Do you think that works in the hospital? Probably not. But in Dr. Mish's operating room, it works just fine. Okay, so we want to push these letters now close together because we don't want a space. Let's close it up here. In Dr. Mish's operating room. Squeeze it shut. There we go. He looks good, right? He looks good. Okay. And also in Dr. Mish's operating room, we have Scotch tape. Perfect. I think he looks awesome. All right, so now when we take out a letter, wherever we cut the letter out, we have to put in an apostrophe. An apostrophe looks like a comma in the sky. So right where I took out the letters, that's where I'm going to put an apostrophe. And now our word looks like that. I apostrophe M. I am became I'm. I'll write it up here. I am became I'm. When I took out that I snuck in the apostrophe and closed it all together. So now Mr. I am became Mr. I'm. All right, we're going to move Mr. I'm to the recovery room. And now I have a new patient. Mr. Is not. Okay, Mr. Is not. We're going to begin with a shot. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Perfect. All right. Now we're going to take out some letters to make Mr. Is not become Mr. Let's see if you can guess. She is not going out to the park today. She isn't going out to the park today. So Mr. Is not will become Mr. Isn't. Okay. What letter don't you think we need? Isn't. We need isn't. Yep, we need to cut out that O. All right. Let's give him a snip. Mr. Is not, you are on your way to becoming Mr. Isn't. Remember, we're not going to cut out too much. Just a little snip here and a little snip there. Do you think Mrs. Mish makes a good teacher or a good doctor? Doctor, that's right. Here we go. All right. So this time, we're going to have to squeeze them up here and here. This might just be a job for Scotch tape. He's going to be awfully skinny when we're done, friends. He's going to be super skinny. Now I want you to pay attention to where we took the letter out. That's the place where the apostrophe gets put in. So we're going to take a piece of tape here. Oh, it'd be easy if I had a nurse. And a piece of tape for right where we took out the O. All right. All right. It's not looking too bad, right? So now, remember, we're going to put in our apostrophe right where we took out the O. So is not became isn't. Isn't. My friends, Mr. Isn't is going to move to the recovery room. We're doing a great job. All right, I do have another patient for us today. This is Mr. Do Not. Okay, what do you think Mr. Do Not will become? Let's think about it and use it in a sentence. I do not want to come in for dinner. I don't want to come in for dinner. You're right. All right. So first, you know. Time for a shot, Mr. Do Not. Ooh, shot and not. They rhyme. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. There's your shot. All righty. So, scalpel. Let's figure out which letter we should be taking out. Do not becomes don't. Don't. I don't hear this O right over here. It's always going to be at the end of that word, right? It always seems like with not, I'm shortening up that word, not. Okay. So, taking our little scissors here, let's cut out that O again. Nice and easy. Don't want to remove too much of our patient. And there we go. Pretty easy, but we're left with some holes here, with some gaps. And again, he's going to be pretty skinny because we've got to close him up between the do and the not. We don't want a space between our words. And then we've got to close him up where we had, whoops, I'm losing my stethoscope here. And we've got to close him up right where we took out that letter O. And remember, where we take out the letter, that is where we're going to have our apostrophe. Okay. So let's get our marker here. And it looks pretty good. So do not became don't. The apostrophe slides in for that letter we took out. My friends, thank you so much. Take this off when I talk to you this time. Thank you so much for joining me for contraction surgery today. Bye, friends.